Hi, my name is Amber, and I am going to be doing the reading for the week of September 1st to the 7th for the sign of Aquarius. This can be for Aquarius, sun, moon, or rising. This could also be for other Aquarian placements in your natal chart. Okay, if this resonates with you, please like, share, or subscribe. If this does not resonate with you, please don't try to make it resonate with you. I cannot read for all Aquarians. Okay. But let's get into your reading, guys. I'm going to shuffle a few more times. Okay. So the first card out is going to be the central theme of the reading. Okay. Too many cards. Okay. We have the Chariot card. Okay. The Chariot talks about balance, it talks about travel, and it also talks about moving forward. For some of you, I'm also picking up that it is talking about you connecting with your higher self. Let's go ahead and clarify that right now. I am going to clarify this with another deck, just so you're aware. Okay, so why is the Chariot here for the central theme? Why is the Chariot here for the central theme? For the sign of Aquarius? Okay, we have the Queen of Swords. So you're showing up in your own element. I'm also noticing the butterflies. The butterflies. Some of you, this is an actual move. You're leaving something behind you. Others of you, you've cut off somebody from your past and you're moving forward with your life. I'm also getting, for some of you, there's some truth that you need to speak to somebody that you have not quite spoken yet. You've kind of hinted at it, but you haven't exactly came right out and said it. Okay. What is coming towards you, or the energy that is coming towards you, is the Seven of Cups. Okay, this talks about having a lot of options. It also talks about illusions and a mixing of mental and emotional energy. Again, it can also talk about connecting with your higher self. For some of you, this is a time where you're feeling really in tune. Yeah. Okay, we have the Hermit coming out to clarify it. This is Virgo season. The Hermit does represent the sign of Virgo. The Chariot represents the sign of Cancer. Okay, so for some of you, this season is about the choices that you make and how they're going to affect the rest of your year. Possibly the rest of your life for some of you. And to make sure that you're listening to your intuition as you go about making these choices and not acting on impulse. I'm not seeing anything about impulse here, but this could also be in reference to the Seven of Cups being here. Like, you might have some sort of impulse to go towards an illusion that's not real. Okay? The next card is going to be how you're going to handle what's coming towards you. We have the Princess of Swords, and we have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, now sometimes the Princess of Swords can be our spying card. I'm not getting that this time. I'm actually getting a sense of you looking almost at all the different steps that you can take to get to some sort of knowledge that you're seeking. Okay? But at the same time, you also see all the hard work that it's going to take in order to get to the place that you want to be. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify that. Okay, we have the Seven of Swords. Be careful of the people that are around you, that they're not deceiving you in some way. Especially with the Seven of Cups and the Seven of Swords both showing up, that would show me like 7th house matters. That is partnerships and relationships. Be careful of the company that you keep too. I'm going to go ahead and clarify the Seven of Swords with another deck actually, just to see what else is going to come out. Why is the Seven of Swords here? I'm also picking up for some of you that this doesn't have to do with like deceit, but these are storm clouds in the background, and there's something that you're deceiving yourself about in regards to the storm clouds. If you're watching this and you're in the path of the hurricane, make sure that you're safe, please. I'm picking that up for a couple people. And no, I'm not saying that just to like freak you out. I'm just saying, like, if you normally stay put and you're not worried, make sure that you're not deceiving yourself in your assumptions. Okay? Because I'm seeing some sort of flooding occur, actually. Okay? Normally this would talk about, you know, regret and spilled cups, but I'm actually seeing all the water on the floor. I'm seeing some sort of flooding is going to happen. Oh. Okay, and it's making my head hurt. So whoever that is for, please be careful. Okay? Okay. The next card that I have coming out is going to be an advice card. We have the Empress coming out. Okay, the Empress talks about abundance. It also talks about motherhood, your mother. I'm going to clarify this. Okay, I'm seeing, now that I'm seeing this other stuff, I'm seeing that some of you need to travel to get away from the storm. To high ground. The Hermit's on a mountain. Okay. Why is the Empress here? We have the 10 of Swords and the 7 of Wands. This is defending yourself against an ending. Okay, I've never had messages like this come through. Okay, so this is a little shocking for me too. But whatever this is can be, it is preventable in some way. I'm also picking up this person being like bound to a chair. Not bound like literally like tied. I mean like they can't move, they're in a wheelchair. Okay? For others of you, you need to look after your elders in some way. Okay. The potential outcome is the 3 of Wands. Okay. You see the waves coming. You're waiting for them. You know they're coming. And we have the 6 of Cups. Okay. This talks about the past. I'm going to go ahead and clarify that before I say anything else. We have the Hierophant. This is the card of Taurus. Taurus is, and I mean this nicely, Tauruses can be stubborn and they don't like to move fast. This is not going to be like a past instance. Something's coming towards you and you need to move. This is weather coming towards you. You need to move from. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get anything else on this potential outcome. Is there anything else that I can tell Aquarius? Is there anything else that I can tell Aquarius? King of Coins. Don't be worried about the investment in your home. Be worried about the investment in your life, please. Okay? Like I said, I normally don't get messages like this, but obviously somebody needs to hear it. So I am going to end this reading for now so that I can get it out. Good luck to whoever this is meant for. Thanks, bye.